The catalog rebuild process for both CD and for tape are virtually identical. If you would like to rebuild the catalog file for a disk-based backup set, such as a backup set saved to an external hard drive, the process is a little bit different. You go to Tools on the left and choose Repair Catalog File. You then choose Recreate from Disks and click OK. Retrospect will then ask you, do you want to do a catalog rebuild from the last piece of media or from all pieces of media? If you have the Fast Catalog Rebuild option turned on in your backup set properties, then you can use the Last Disk option. We're going to choose Last Disk, and Retrospect will then ask us to choose the drive that contains the actual backup data. You select the disk that contains the original data, and you click OK, and Retrospect will display for you all available backup sets that are on that drive. In this case, my drive only contains backup set C. I click OK. Retrospect will ask us if we'd like to forget the catalog file. In this case, this catalog is known to Retrospect and it exists in a script, so I need to forget the catalog before I can proceed. Retrospect will then ask me where would I like to save the catalog file. I can save it back to the original location, or I can save it to a new location. Retrospect will then begin the catalog rebuild process. If you have a small amount of data, the rebuild may be fairly fast. We can also see the performance is quite high at over 1 GB a minute. Once the catalog rebuild is done, we can see it inside the History tab of the Activity Monitor, and the log will show us that it did a successful catalog rebuild.